Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Specifically for the driver window fuse, we'll demonstrate on a 2017 Honda Civic that we have here. We have two fuse boxes, but we'll need to open the fuse box that's inside your Honda Civic. On the driver's side, right under the dash, if you look straight up, you're going to see a fuse box next to your, that's the OBD port, that's the fuse box under the dash, that's what it looks like. Now, we're going to zoom in a little bit so we can show you the fuses with a great detail. But before we continue, guys, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse, guys, for the driver window, if you look right here, we have fuse number 1 through 13, 14 through 26, 27 through 39 right here. The fuse for the driver window will be in that row right here. And it's a 20 amp fuse, so that's fuse number 27, the first one. The second one, that 28 fuse, is the one that you will need to check. That 28 fuse, guys, number 28, 20 amp fuse is for the driver window.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.